In this video, I'm going to use the quicksort algorithm to sort these 8 numbers into descending order. Now, as I go through the algorithm, I am going to count the number of comparisons at each pass. Okay, so first thing I do is I choose my first pivot, which will be the first number in the list. So that's 3. Now, because we're going into descending order, that means that all of the numbers larger than 3 must go to the left of 3, and all of the numbers smaller than 3 must go to the right. So we have 7, 8, 6, 5 and 4 are larger than 3, so they go to the left. So 7, 8, 6, 5 and 4. And look how they must maintain the same order as they appear in that list. Then we've got 3. Now 3 has been used as a pivot, and so we box it. Then the 2 numbers less than 3 are 1 and 2. So in my first pass, how many comparisons did I make? Well, I had to compare 3 with each of the other numbers in the list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 comparisons were made. Right, I now have 2 sublists. I've got this list and this list. You circle the first number in each sublist. They are your new pivots. So any number larger than 7 must go to the left. So that would just be the 8. The 7 has now been used, so that gets boxed. And we have the 6, 5 and 4 go to the right of 7. The 3 is still boxed. And 2 is larger than 1, so that goes to the left of 1. And 1 has been used, and so it gets boxed. So in this pass, pass number 2, how many comparisons did we make? Well, we compared 7 with 8, 6, 5 and 4, so 4 there, and 1 with 2. So in total, 5 comparisons. Now we have 1, 2, 3 sublists. So we circle the first number in each sublist. These are the new pivots. Now 8 has nothing to be compared with, and so 8 gets boxed. 7 is already boxed. The numbers larger than 6 go to the left of 6. Well, 5 and 4 both smaller than 6, so 6 remains in place. 5, 4, 3 is remaining boxed, and 2's got nothing to compare it with. And so this is our situation as it stands. So after pass 3, how many comparisons did we make? Well, 8 and 2 we didn't compare with anything. 6 got compared with 5 and 4, so there were 2 comparisons. We've only got 1 sublist now. So we circle the first number in the sublist. So 8, 7, 6 are already boxed. 4 is less than 5, so 5 remains where it is and gets boxed. So we still have 1 sublist, which contains 1 number. So that becomes our new pivot. Okay? So in that 4th pass, we made 1 comparison. And in our 5th pass, that we're just about to make, there's nothing to compare 4 with. So we'll just have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all of which should be boxed, because all have acted as pivots. Okay, and so that is now complete.